User left your channel. User joined your channel. User left your channel.
Is Granata in the channel now?
No.
Ah.
User joined your channel.
Who joined the channel?
Me, but I'm wondering why the Granada is not coming
User
here.
joined your channel.
Now.
Okay. Hi.
Hi there, Granada.
I'm flying for a while.
Oh, sorry man, I hit it accidentally.
Well, good luck for next rounds.
I am a stupid noob.
Enjoy the evening.
Alright.
User disconnected from your channel.
Granada. Go get him. Remember to hit the tank from the side. It takes the most damage when you hit it from the side.
Okay, I'm flying just a bit high first because of the anti-air.
Why is the 57 guy in my plane?
Nice, we already got the flag ray.
Yeah, at this point I think, yeah, there's the Rolls Royce targeted.
Alright, we're no longer bleeding.
There's the Rolls Royce.
Another tank, I think.
I know. Jeff, where the hell is it? Sard. It's in the corner.
There's a Rex that stole. You see, the stolen truck is going to city.
I'm targeting the tank currently. It's my objective.
I will try to get the anti-air.
What the hell is it? And
Yeah, there's no way they can defend full flag with 20 people and attack us at the same time.
Do you know where the anti-air is? On that house or?
on the houses, most of them are. There are some pom-poms in the lower regions.
Maybe.
But you shouldn't concentrate on the anti-air. They do damage, but keep down that tank. If you keep it down, then our guys can capture it as soon as we have that flag.
Fly high, that's good I think. Then maybe going for the...
Oh my god, I'm getting shot there. They're now manning all the... And the tank is at the last flag.
I got one pom-pom guy.
I think this round will be a tough one.
Yeah, but 40 tickets you got more.
Yeah, well, that's nothing. Yeah, I need to get some really good altitude now before I attack. With all the AA being active.
You're already in the air again?
Yep.
Oh, good. I think this flag 88 is the most dangerous.
Well, actually, all the AA are dangerous.
Oh,
Maybe we should attack more from the very north, because they're always aiming at the south, perhaps.
Yeah, but we need to control those back flags if we can. Where is the tank?
First flags they can't retake.
I mean the back flags. The first flag I know they cannot retake. There's... Got the tank.
yeah, we got Hotchkiss. No, we got what was it called? The other one.
Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce, yeah. Hotchkiss is a bit easier to take down though.
Alright. Try to capture that flag now at the back and then capture the tank.
Okay, got another anti-air.
Oh, is that car ours? That Turkish car is the enemy.
Once it's stolen, maybe it's still there.
It's the
I think we killed one of the gunners in one of those.
We have a new tank for them.
Nothing.
It's there. Rolls Royce heading towards the flag. Rolls Royce still alive in the village.
Well, there's now just 30 tickets difference.
I need to repair and get bombed.
I just did. Ah, I just got the whippet with one bomb, I think.
You mean the Rolls Royce?
No, the whippet tank.
Oh.
But I already have to repair again.
Sometimes I think the repair goes slower than actually waiting for a new plane.
Yeah, sometimes they just spawn way too fast.
Yeah, but
Just-
you can also land somewhere else, not at the main base.
Yeah, but if you need bombs, usually when I need to go back, I actually need bombs as well. Oh, we have an active tank. Oh shit, that was too long. They took me down. Active tank heading towards our flag. They're putting up a stronger defense now, are they?
Yes.
Düşman askerler göründü. Top desteği gerek. Top desteği gerek. Topçu atışı lazım.
Watch. Oh.
Dikkat, tanklar. Baş üstüne. Top desteği gerek. Top desteği gerek. Yardım.
Tank somewhere?
Well, somebody said he spotted a tank.
Hayyareler buraya.
Yeah.
Dikkat tanklar.
Got the Rolls Royce.
Hayyareler buraya. Tanklara hücum.
Oh, they're saying tank spotted. I see it.
On our flag. Ah, I think I see it too. Nice. I got it.
Ağaç üstüne.
The other Rolls Royce is down too. Heavy flag is back of them.
Newell. Bomb the Rolls Royce. Driving away.
New pairing.
Ağaç kaçkınları görüldükleri yerde infaz edildi.
And a new tank heading towards the flag.
Dikkat tanklar.
Well, I got the Rolls Royce, I just don't have the tank. No, there's one bomb left, so have to repair and get new bombs.
Top desteği gerek. Dikkat tanklar. Hayyareler buraya. Düşman askerler göründü.
No, just one flag left for them.
Ooh, yeah, but it's still the one with the tank, so
Yeah.
Savaş kaçkınları vatan namına vurulacaktır. Dikkat
Just saw the Rolls Royce. It's going very north to the white flag.
well, I just took off. When I get there, I'll bomb.
Got it.
Well, now they just spawned at one flag again. Damn.
Yeah, but now they don't have that many anti-air, I think.
Well, maybe I get the machine gun right in the opening of that door.
Okay, they retook one.
It's the one where the tank spawns. Rolls Royce respawn. Getting new bombs back.
top desteği gerek. Top desteği gerek. Düşman askerler göründü. Tepeyi aldık. Dikkat, tanklar. Tank, eyyareler buraya.
They have a new
Top desteği, top desteği. Topçu atışı lazım. Dikkat, tanklar.
I got the tank, but the AA gave me a bloody nose.
Oh, if they got that flag, the bleed isn't on them. If they got just another flag left, it's the bleed on them.
What the hell? They don't have a bleed?
Because this is a special flag, I think.
Damn. So I'm right that we should always capture that flag near the tank.
Mm-hmm.
And now they have the tank. Well, that's kind of sucks for our team.
Dikkat, tanklar.
No, this map would be a lot easier with Rolls Royces.
Yeah, we get the crappy Turkish cars.
But it says Hotchkiss, so I guess these are French.
Yeah, they sold them to them. 4, I think, only at all into month.
Oh, we have another tank and we have a Rolls Royce active at that flag.
Okay,
Yeah.
going for it.
Oh, the tank's down. Where the hell was what?
Oasis flag. Or lake
Ah.
flag.
Yeah, it's Oasis.
Dikkat, tanklar.
I think I saw. Yeah, I see it. I did hit it, but not kill it. But I
Oh.
finished it. But in the French version of Belfort 1918, they don't have such a piece of crap.
Topçu atışı lazım.
Well, maybe it's the downgraded version or something like that.
They probably sold them prototypes. Okay, we have an enemy Turkish car.
But this is more close. Last we won with 300, I think.
Yeah, they're putting up a better defense.
I'm not sure about that. I think the last flag, at the last flag, when they had it, they were bleeding. Now they're not, so that's why.
Yeah,
it's
because we
happening.
got the wrong flag, I think. Also, we must take this flag.
I've been telling them to get that tank flag.
Huh?
Enemy Rolls Royce up. Ah, I'm dead. By myself. I guess this is a victory with a kind of bitter taste.
Ashak, do you want to go for a plane maybe? One round or?
Yardım.
No, I'm not gonna use any planes.
Oh, sorry man, you were waiting, Renata. You have a plane. Should I stay on the plane next round or not?
Well, I think because we got no, or maybe we find some else.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna go on the plane given the fact that we don't have any other pilots, right? Besides me and you.
Yeah. We need to keep bombing those tanks.
I'm doing that.
You can ask in the other channel if they are, or someone.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Now it's our... I think it's our Rolls Royce. Don't bomb the Rolls Royce. It's our...
Rolls Royce is ours.
Now try to capture that tank. It's gonna spawn any moment, I think.
Where does it spawn?
It spawns where the Rolls Royce spawn.
Okay.
I think we have it. Don't bomb the tank, it's our...
No, the enemy has the tank.
No, it's ours.
Oh yeah, we have the tank, yeah, I see it. The icon is very different in the new map. Oh, seems like we are also capping the last flag. Right.
Düşman kaplarımızı açıyor.
All's well that ends well. Let's get it.